Okay, first things first, chicken isn't exactly my favorite meat, so I'm already hating this video. I'm more of a pork person. Second of all, I'm not some 5-star chef, so none of this is gonna be professional, okay? Not a connoisseur of food. I don't know that much about cooking. The best thing I made was some fucking fried ramen, okay? I'm a broke-ass college student, don't expect much. But even I know that there are way more seasonings aside from salt and pepper. And me being black has nothing to do with it. All people should know how to season some goddamn chicken. You're not gonna season that shit? It's about to be dry as hell. You better not put that shit in the oven. When you put chicken in the oven, that makes it so dry and nasty. I do love me some hoisin sauce though. I fry it up in my rice all the time. Don't you judge me, that shit's delicious. Alright, okay. Okay, I'll give it a try. That looks delicious. Probably dry as hell on the inside though. I don't trust it. But that sauce looked great. Cube up that chicken again. Chili powder, turmeric, salt, pepper, actual seasoning, lemon juice. I can get down with that. That oil looks so nasty though. Oh, what's going on here? You getting ready for some insertions? Yeah, stick that mozzarella in there. What the fuck is going on here? This looks great. Mix that shit up. I love it when like the oil just bubbles off of it and you know that shit's gonna be delicious and crispy. Yeah, sprinkle that cheese on there. You know what I'm into. Some thick ass chicken though. Like, where do you buy this? You know Tyson ain't selling that shit. Amanda! Amanda, that's enough! I'm calling the cops. You know what? Better yet, I'm gonna blow this conch and Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy are going to kick your ass. You don't deserve to touch chicken. And again, it doesn't matter what the fuck my race is. This is just a crime against humanity. Buttermilk and ranch? I should kill you.